Imagine your heart racing, not from fear or excitement, but from a simple yawn. Yes, yawning can increase your heart rate by up to 30%. This quirky physiological response is your body's way of boosting alertness. Scientists believe yawning helps cool the brain, making you more attentive. So next time you yawn, remember it's not just boredom. It's your brain's air conditioning system kicking in. Who knew a yawn could be so powerful? Keep your heart in check and your brain cool by hitting the like button, subscribing, and leaving a comment to support us.